Do you desire a hair care routine that will help you grow your hair long, but you have no clue what to do or how to go about it? So in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you that basic step that you need to know in order for you to have a healthy hair care routine. So if today is your first time of tuning into my channel, then please do make sure to like this video, share this video, and also subscribe to my channel if you are yet to do so. Now let's jump right into it. The very first basic step is the pre-shampoo treatment. Now, this is optional, but like I will always say, if you know that you have a dry hair, then you might want to consider doing a pre-shampoo treatment even before you hop into the shower to shampoo your hair. This is just the basic steps where you use any oil of your choice, natural oil or egg growth oil, apply it to your hair and then cover it for at least 5 to 10 minutes, and then you can now shampoo your hair. This helps your hair to stay hydrated and moisturized even after shampooing your hair, because as we know, shampoo tends to strip our hair of its natural oils. But doing a pre-shampoo treatment will help prevent your hair from getting dry or feeling dry even after shampooing your hair. Now, like I said, this is an optional step. You can choose to do this or you could choose not to do this, but I would recommend this for anyone who is experiencing dryness or you just want to up your moisture game. I do this always before I go in with my shampoo to shampoo my hair, and it has been of great benefits to me. So basically, these steps add extra moisture to your hair and help protect your hair in general. So the next step is going to be the shampoo step, and this step you want to try as much as possible to use a sulfate free shampoo to shampoo your hair at this point, because we don't want something that will completely dry out our hair or make our hair to feel dry even after shampooing. So gently scrubbing your scalp, massaging your scalp and removing all those debris or products build up on your scalp will go a long way to setting your hair for a good moisture retention throughout the week. So this step is very essential, of course, because hair growth starts from your scalp and you want to make sure that your scalp is as clean as possible. Now, the third step is going to be the deep conditioning step. Now, I like to say that this step can be in two phases. So you can either choose to just use a rinse out conditioner or a deep conditioner, or you can use both. That means you have to go in first with a rinse out conditioner and then after go in with a deep conditioner. So these steps almost perform the same function. So the idea is to apply this to your hair. So the conditioning step helps you to condition your hair. It helps you to detangle properly, applying a good moisturizing conditioner will help your comb or your fingertips to easily glide through your hair, making your hair easy to detangle. So at the end of the day, you experience less breakage as much as you can. Trust me guys, conditioners makes the difference. So going into your hair and detangling your hair without any form of conditioner, you'll be doing your hair more harm than good. So this step is as important as shampooing your hair. So I like to do this step at least once a week. So this helps keep my hair moisturized throughout the week before I shampoo my hair the following week. So after shampoo, deep conditioning my hair, I like to style my hair. And of course, a lot of us we like to keep our hair in a protective style. I make sure to go in with my LOC method. This is the method I'm used to. So you want to incorporate the use of a leave-in conditioner, oils and creams to infuse moisture back into your hair after the whole shampooing process. So I like to put my hair in twists most of the time, but sometimes I also go ahead to make some juicy braids. As you can see, it's so nice. It elongates my hair, it stretches my hair out. This is the style that I can make and my hair would be stretched out fully. But like I said, 99.9% of the time my hair is in twist. So you want to make sure to put your hair in some form of a protective style that will protect your hair from the environmental factors that makes our hair to feel dry even after a good moisture routine. So this is one of the ways I've been able to retain length by tucking the ends of my hair in. So even if other parts of my hair are feeling dry and the ends of my hair are well protected, and that means I'm going to retain more length because the ends of our hair are the oldest parts, so they tend to dry out fast. But I like to seal that part in to hide it away so that it still feels moisturized for a long time. So there are other styles you can do, like I'm doing now. I'm doing an updo with my hair, just trying to style it up a bit. Really, I don't leave my hair in this style like for long. I can do this maybe once in 6 months, once in a year even, because I still feel doing updos like this still expose my hair to environmental elements and they are going to dry out my hair. So I don't do this often. I just do this once in a while just to keep my hair in a different hairstyle. So if you've watched up to this point, guys, and you're yet to subscribe to my channel, please hit that subscribe button, like this video, and also comment down below. Let me know what your routine is like, and if you do any of these steps that I've shown you in today's video, and let me know what you think about it. And here is my favorite all-time twist. Currently I'm on a mini twist challenge, so I'm here to give you guys some updates on how that is going, because we're gradually coming to an end of that challenge. But overall, I love to wear medium size to chunky twists, just like you can see here. It's so simple and it's something that I can just go out with anytime. And here is mini twists. Mini twist is something that I do once in a while, like I don't do it all the time, but this is one super great protective hairstyle that you can do to help you to retain as much length as possible. So thank you guys for watching. This is my simple hair care routine that has helped me to grow my hair from big chop to what it is now. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Kindly leave me a comment below. Let me know what you think about this routine, and if it's something that you feel you can do, let me know in the comment section. Don't forget to like this video, share this video with your friends and families and those who might be interested in it, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.